Hello, Jim Pasmore here, and I'll be your speaker this coming Sunday along with Charlotte Oakes and Greg Warnick. And our subject will be Saging, Not Aging. And we plan to do it in a style of question and answer, kind of like Ask the Ministers, but it'll be Ask the Elders, huh? Yeah, so what have you thought about your aging process and your lifespan? You know, when we were born, the lifespan expectation was like 62 years. Today it's like 79 years. But if you've noticed, a lot of the elders at Unity are past that age and yet seem to have a biological age, maybe 20 years younger. And that's because of a lot of the practices we've learned along the way and some of the wisdom that's helped us to get into this elder years without decline, without losing our passion and zest for life. And so if you think about the three of us up here, we've got 242 years of life between us. And a lot of those experiences could be helpful to you. Depending on what kind of questions we get, we hope to provide some of that help and see you going into your future with vibrancy and passion and joy. So come see us Sunday. Looking forward to it.